Hi all, it's Žiga from Aquila. Welcome back to our workshop here in Slovenia. Today we're taking an in-depth look at our latest masterpiece, a L3H3 Volkswagen Crafter 4Motion. This is a fully autonomous 4-season expedition brake designed to take you anywhere without leaving the comforts of home behind. Best of all, with all the equipment this van has, it's still drivable on a B license. Now let's check the inside. Stepping inside, the first thing you notice is the swivel seats up front. They turn the driving cabin into a comfortable lounge. Combined with our Dinette table, it's a perfect spot for breakfast with a view or a remote workplace. The kitchen is powered entirely by electricity. We have a sleek induction plate for fast and safe cooking and a massive 95-liter compressor fridge that stays ice cold regardless of the temperature outside. The custom-made cabinetry houses a deep sink with both hot and cold water. So washing up after a meal is no different than being in your own kitchen. Privacy is a luxury on the road. This build features a dedicated wet shower tucked behind this space-saving louvered sliding doors. Here we have a foldable sink, a cabinet for storage, and a max fan exhaust up top. But the real game changer is here, the Clesana toilet. It is a completely water, chemical and odor-free using a medical grade sealing system. It's the cleanest and most eco-friendly system solution for off-grid travel today. Moving to the back, we have our longitudinally oriented foldable bed. By choosing this layout, we've created a much more open walkway during the day. It also allows us to transport motorcycles or electric bikes. Having roller doors on our lower cabinets, we can access them at all times, regardless of the load. When it's time to sleep, the bed unfolds into a massive sleeping area, measuring 1.7 by 2 meters, and offering excellent comfort without compromising on legroom. Above the bed, we have a large panoramic skylight, inviting you to enjoy stargazing directly from the bed. To make the bed, we unclip 2 clips up here, and we unfold the bed like this, arrange the mattresses, just like that. Easy. Now let's talk about what makes this all possible, the electrical system. We have a 280 amp hour lithium battery, a 3000 watt inverter, a 30 amp AC charger for shore power, and a 30 amp DC to DC charger to top up while driving. There's also a 180 watt solar panel paired with a solar charger. All of these can be further upgraded upon request. And to keep you warm in those snowy landscapes, a 4 kilowatt Truma diesel heater that pumps out enough heat to keep this cabin toasty in sub-zero temperatures. Whether you need a right-hand drive for the UK or left-hand drive for Europe, we specialize in both. Our vehicles already come extremely well equipped as standard. Everything you've seen in this video is part of our base spec. We also offer wide range of optional equipment designed for customers who travel far off the beaten path, often for several months at a time. These vehicles are engineered for demanding users who rely on their vehicles in the most remote environments. Pricing starts for 105,000 euros with a delivery time of approximately 3 months from order. We are highly flexible and offer fully customized solutions and tailor-made layouts. If you're ready to start your own 4x4 journey, check the link in the description to reserve one of the 2026 build slots. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.